Hello viewers, iNews is back to accompany you with latest and most realized news. With me, Adit Delendra Puspita, here's the full news.
Audio Jungle.
Good afternoon viewers, Bangkok Cops Gate viewers are back in the spotlight recently. There has been widespread rejection or neglect of criminal report from the victim family. Even family have to arrest criminals themselves and hand them over to the police, so that cases are handled immediately.
Perpetrator of molestation against an 11-year-old killed in Bekasi, West Java, did not move when he was named as suspect. Ironically, he was arrested by the victim family when he was about to flee out of town and then handed over to the police. The family's steps were taken because their reports were not responded to by the police and were instead treated with ambulance action. He is currently undergoing examination before his case is transferred to court. For his attention, he faced a maximum sentence of 15 years in prison. Not only in Bekasi, a father of a victim of rape and human trafficking in Bandung, West Java, has succeeded in apprehending the perpetrator of crime against their children. The perpetrator were then handed over to the police so that the case was handled immediately.
The perpetrators also threatened to kill the victim if the victim resisted and refused to serve dozens of plunders. For his action, when the suspect was charged with multiple articles with a maximum penalty of 15 years in prison. From the result of the examination, it is suspected that there are still around 17 more people involved. Then, so the victim's family arrest the perpetrators themselves so that abandoned criminal cases can be handled by the police. The iNews coverage team report.
At the end of 2021, the community was worried about a number of reports that were not solved by the police until the victim family stepped in and took action. Why is this phenomenon happening? We are connected with you, Sister Akame, police observers. Good afternoon, sister.
Good afternoon too.
Okay, Sister Akame, responding to the information that we have just conveyed. What really happened at the police? Why they refused and even ignored the report so that finally the family acted on their own?
Previously, I was very concerned about the development in the community with the police had not responded for something related to the case. His technovirus is not under the and follow-up like that is very worrying, and now people are moving as if they are allowed to take the law into their hands to catch the perpetrator, meaning that the police service is very weak and very concerned about the community, so that people are looking for it, complain and want to be set process. Are you disappointed and doing this year, and if like unchecked will create apathy in the community, which will then return to the past when people played judge and acted undid, and because the police did not carry out the task that the state had given them authority from since they.
So is it true that the nature of the police, who simply ignore reports from the public, has only happened recently or has it been a long time ago?
Actually, it's been a very long time, yes, this happened. It's just because social media has really become a part of society, so that everything can be applied by the public to social media. 10 or 20 years ago, maybe a pickpocket was believed to have been beaten by and then a motorcycle. Thief was arrested and then burned things like that there. But we really hope for the emergence police feature who really serve the community. When now a report is then handed back to the reporter, this is really very disappointing. That the state had given hundreds of trillions of the budget to the police to serve the community, it is given a very large authority when the police only act based on the law to not serve with empathy. This is very, very far. It looks like the community has a sense of.
Well, what's the reason, Sister Akame? So that the police lack empathy, so they do not ignore it, maybe even take a long time to process community reports.
Was of in the mindset of many police personnel. Education the police from the start only paid a normative standard, but in a touch change mindset. That's why some time ago we say this police for not only needs a cultural reform but must revolutionize the mentality of its member, the spirit that the national police chief must keep in mind. This mental revolution is not just a clue to build a system that can actually prevent being able to control personnel so they can actually serve the real member of society.
Good, but actually some time ago the National Police Chief also stated that the police must be sensitive to public reports. Now, but in that, Sister Kamei, you said there must also be a mental revolution. How quickly can the mindset revolution be carried out so that the police service can be better in 2022?
It's not luxurious mental revolution, of course, can be done instantly. This must be done integrally and really. It must be done gradually, quickly. No, the community must do it quickly, but of course, it cannot be done instantly. So the police have to build a better system too, because if you look at the current phenomenon, the regulation for sanction do not make me say that that's not the police personnel so that they continue to commit violation, meaning that there is a problem within the police itself that may not recording the pay until the not like that is have to happen. This if is not pay culture firmly, this will be a snowball which in the future will further disappointing people's expectation.
Well, we hope that the chief of the national police and also the top brass of the police can immediately revolution the mindset and mentality of its members so that this does not happen again and public trust in the police can increase next year. Thank you, Sister Kamei, for joining us on iNews. Healthy always, Sister.
Thank you for watching our news.